Today we've got something really different for you. We are gonna be scrapping this BMW wagon and finding out how much it's really worth. As you can see, it is a huge mess in here, but I have gotten everything I need out of this wagon. It was a 2005 28i manual wagon, and that's why I bought it, to get all the manual conversion parts out of it. Plus it had some cool bumpers, like I think these are M-Tech bumpers, and they're really rare, hard to find. So it was a bonus, and the reason why I got this stuff is, well, you guys may have seen this little shell sitting around at the shop, and it is my 540i wagon that I hope one day we will put a 2J into. So I've been slowly buying parts when they come up, and as I said, this stuff was really rare, so it was a good time to grab it. But now we've got this entire shell, and usually I would just call somebody to come pick it up and we'd have it scrapped like we did with that parts car Integra. However, this time around, these are my old wheels, and I don't want to lose these wheels. They're off of my 87 BMW. So what we're gonna do is take it to the scrapyard ourselves and see how much they're gonna pay us for the entire thing.
Pete's such a beast, he thinks he can load this car by himself.
There's no motor.
That's true.
And half the interior is stripped.
Did it have no motor when you got it? Oh, wow. Yeah, that's interesting setup you got there.
Well, I did have to strip a ton of stuff, so. And the reason why it's sitting so badly or so low in the back is because the air suspension is now gone-ish. I took the pump off, and the moment that I took the pump off, it went down. Some of you may be wondering why on earth I'm scrapping this pristine wagon that I bought for 800 bucks. Well, if this is an indication of what this car looks like, that is why. It is absolutely rotted. Like, look it down here. It's done. Because as much as I would have loved to save this wagon,
there's junk inside too.
We'll get some
weight out of that.
Some weight, exactly.
Yeah, paid by the pound.
I had so many people contact me actually to buy a rear hatch, and apparently in Canada the problem is water pools in this area, and it's a defect in terms of a design. So all these rot.
There was around the window. Look at there.
Look at this, and that's exactly the problem, right? So these hatches are worth some money. The owner of this car was really clever though, and let me show you why. So he wanted to cover up some rust spots, and brilliantly he found vinyl tape. Like, check this out, and just covered up the rust with vinyl tape, which was amazing in that sense. You can see here, this door is like fully rotted, but the vinyl tape is still holding on. So I mean, you know, seems like a better repair than using black tape, which is what a lot of people would do.
Why'd you pull the motor from this thing, Pete?
Well, I needed the manual conversion parts, and the transmission's going to our buddy JP. He's been needing a ZF, so that's going to happen. And I figured it was good practice for a future
ZF.
It was good practice for a future project that we've got coming up. And you know what? It's really neat. Like with the BMWs, you just take the whole front end off, and then removing the motor isn't that difficult.
Should I steer it to the left a bit?
The toe hitch might hit. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's on the ground back there?
You don't want to, yeah.
It's on the ground?
Yeah, it's so close. It's not on the ground, it literally is millimeters.
Luckily it's so flimsy, it'll just break.
Look at that.
Damn it. Gotta unbolt that mess?
I really didn't want to.
Impact gun it off, it's just a couple of rusty bolts there.
You can't take this off, it's too rotted. I already thought about that.
Oh. This is Pete's new dolly system for loading cars on trailers.
Okay, so you stay back here. I'm gonna go hit the winch and tell me how this works.
I'll let you know when it falls off and destroys our fancy floor. And it's off.
I'm leaving this up to you, DP.
That's a bad life choice, Peter. Let's just...
There you go, that looks like a hook.
I'll hook it onto something random.
It's a rubber hose. I'm sure it'll be good.
We're going 5 kilometers down.
All right, let's head to Kenny Upul.
All right.
You can probably tell by the crazy wind noise that it's super windy out here, and we already had the hood come up like this a couple times, so I'm going to the ratchet strap to be safe here on the side of the highway. All right, we have arrived at Kenny Upul here, and I think we got to pull up on the scales there to see what we're at first. Okay, so I was just inside, gave the lady the paperwork, the registration, and it's pretty simple. You pull the truck and trailer on, we get weighed with the BMW, then once it comes off, they weigh it again, and we...
Difference is how much they pay us
Exactly.
for.
So what are you thinking in terms of money that we're gonna get?
Man, I have no idea. Let's say maybe 200 bucks?
Yeah, I'm thinking 150, just because there's not a lot of stuff left in it, so...
All right, well, I'll go with 200, you go with 150,
All right.
and we'll see
and
who the winner is.
if you guys want to stop the video here and post your comment in terms of what you think this thing's worth, do that. Okay, our total is 10,000 and say 740 there. That's what it's showing. Can you believe the wind out here today? Like,
No.
what is going on?
It's the windiest day I've probably ever felt in my life. It's ridiculous. All right, let's get this thing off here.
Yeah, all the straps are off. Now this guy's gonna come, that guy over there. He's gonna actually pull this thing up. And then I'm taking the wheels off. I gotta take the wheels off.
Oh, here we go, PT. Here we go. It's gonna get exciting. Never seen a car come off a trailer like this before.
This is gonna be amazing!
Going right through the windows. Oh yeah.
That's how they do it.
All right, getting those wheels off. All right.
That's service, right?
I know.
This is good service!
Look, you think-
Give me 2 seconds. We're gonna do
It's like a pit stop. It's nice you picked such a calm day here for this job, Pete.
I know.
Like the windiest day of the year.
I know, this is terrible. Sorry, YouTube fans.
The audio is going to be garbage, but you done, PT?
That's it, that's the last
All right. Wave goodbye to the old BMW. I'm literally getting blown over here.
Almost.
Oh. All right. Wind is insane.
There it is. So long, BMW. And now, DP gets to pull back onto the loading dock here in the weigh station, sorry. And we'll see where he's at. Oh, I see the number already. 8360, 8340. That's not bad. All right, let's go inside and see how much we get paid. All right. Oh my God, the wind is absolutely terrible here. But better news, the results are in here, DP, and we did better than what you expected and I expected.
Really?
Oh my goodness. 100, 200, 250, 275.
Damn.
Holy smokes, man.
Not
That's
bad.
incredible for scrapping your own car. And that car was already, like, we didn't have the motor. Half the stuff was out of it. So that's impressive. Very, very impressive. We will take that to the bank. Use it for car part money.
It only weighed like 2,500 pounds or so.
Yeah, yeah. So, I mean, like, wow. Super cool. This is a good experience for us to know. From now on, we're going to be scrapping all our own cars. I've scrapped cars before where people pick them up and it's like $100 max. So
Yeah.
that is worth it. Definitely worth doing this. So now you know a crappy BMW like that is worth $275 in your pocket, and a pretty cool show with a guy putting his forklift through the windows. That was pretty awesome, right? So as always, thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, post a comment, and make sure to hit the notification bell to keep track of all our videos. and check out our speedacademy.shop page for merchandise and Go Fast parts. So thank you once again. We'll be back soon with more cool videos. You working?
Yeah, kind of. Keep going. Yeah, it's working.
All right.